Today in Google Sheets, we're going to figure out which is better, ArrayFormula or QuickFill. So in these two examples that I'm going to be showing you, let's try and figure out which one would be better to use in these situations. So in this first example, I have some names on the left right here, which I will be using the proper function to capitalize the first letter for each name. Let's go ahead and start with the QuickFill. So put in your equal sign, type in proper, select that cell, press enter, and you have your suggested autofill, which we will accept. And there you have it. So that was a quick suggestion that was made by Google Sheets to fill in the rest of our data. Now let's try with the array formula. Start with your equal sign, type in array, select array formula, put in the function that you want to use, open parentheses, select your range, press enter. And there you have it. So we have the same results using two different ways, but it's important to note that for the QuickFill, you have the formula for each cell in your range. In our array formula, that formula only exists at the top. If I try and delete this one right here, I cannot unless I try to do something about the original formula at the top. Let's do the same with our next example. So in this example right here, I will be computing for the total by multiplying the quantity with the price. Let's start with a QuickFill. Again, start with your equal sign and you already have your suggested formula. But this time we're just going to manually type it in so that we can have the suggested autofill at the end. There you have it. Let's accept that. And that's for the QuickFill. Let's try the array formula. Equal sign, type in array, select it right there. Now what we're going to do is to select the first range, multiply to our second range. Now here it's important to note that your ranges have to be equal so that it won't get an error at the end. Press enter and there you have it. Again, just a reminder, in QuickFill we have individual formulas in each cell compared to our array formula that we cannot change any of these, make deletes or edits. None of that unless we do it with the original formula. So, which do you prefer? I guess it's a case-to-case basis, but when it comes to speed, QuickFill or autofill is the way to go. And for fixed data that you don't want to be changed unless the original formula is changed, array formula is the way to go. So what do you think? Do leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.